Hi all, I am Safia, plant-based nutritionist and lifestyle coach. Today I am going to share about raw food. Now everyone can ask, what? Why do we need to know about raw food? Is it natural to eat? Of course, it's natural to eat raw food. And the truth is we all have been designed to eat raw food. Do you know there are roughly 18 lakh species in this world? Except human beings, they all eat raw food. And our body will spend very less energy and time to digest raw food than cooked food. So we'll get more energy if we include more raw food in our diet. That excess energy can be utilized for cleaning or healing process of our body. And raw food contains some special nutrients which will be completely destroyed if you cook food above 40 to 48 degrees Celsius. Those special nutrients are hormones, oxygen, phytochemicals and enzymes. These are very important to prevent and reverse any kind of diseases. Now I will talk about oxygen. Oxygen is the most important of all elements. We can't exist without oxygen even for 7 minutes. If we don't get enough oxygen, we get headache, backache, lethargy and depression. Early days, people were surrounded by trees and plants. And they did a lot of work and they predominantly consumed raw food. But today, the environment and lifestyle is totally different. People are living in urban cities and not doing enough exercise and meditation, and they consume ultra-processed foods and animal-based food. We can get oxygen through meditation, exercise, water and raw foods. If you don't have enough oxygen, you will get problem with absorption of nutrients also. Because oxygen plays a central role in the digestion process. If we don't have enough oxygen, vitamins and minerals will not get inside our cells and they will not get utilized. And oxygen helps to regulate metabolism. So if you have enough oxygen, you will never get overweight and underweight problem. And oxygen helps to increase hemoglobin level in the red blood cells. Next I will talk about hormones. Hormones are the messengers that allow cellular communication, which is very important for all emotions and thoughts and brain function. Every athlete or people who are incredibly successful in their profession or marriage all had amazingly balanced hormones. So if you don't feed your body with the right kind of food, the hormones can't be developed. Phytochemicals can be produced as phytochemicals, which means it will fight to protect your health from diseases. They have anti-cancer, antibacterial and antiviral properties. They will stimulate our immune system to protect us from diseases. All colorful foods contain phytochemicals. So if you include different variety of colorful foods like orange, green, yellow, you will get different variety of phytochemicals. Final one is enzyme. Enzyme helps to digest our food. All cells in our body require enzyme to survive and function. Cooking food at low acidic pH will alter the structure of our enzyme, so it becomes denatured and inactive. There are 3 categories of enzyme. First one is digestive enzyme, which is in our saliva, stomach and small intestine. Second one is metabolic enzyme, which are inside our cells. Third one is food-based enzyme, which comes from food. If we are deficient in any of these enzymes, it can lead to chronic diseases. Insufficient food-based enzymes or digestive enzyme may reduce the availability of metabolic enzyme, which lead to chronic inflammation, compromised immunity, and gastrointestinal disturbance. So try to include more raw food in your diet to get the amazing benefits of the special nutrients that are hormone, oxygen, phytochemicals and enzymes. In next video, I will tell you how to include more raw food in your diet. Thank you for watching this video.